Today, we will learn about the method and procedure for automatically calculating frame quantities by automatically or manually placing formwork elements on the 3D frame completed in the last video. First, to automatically create quantity elements on the wall formwork, run the wall automation command. When you run the command, it asks you to select walls. You can select all wall elements in the floor plan. Automatically creates panels for quantity calculation by extracting allowance surfaces from the selected element. By covering the panel, it has properties for accurate area calculation by the future quantity calculation function. The technique XT indicates the size and part number of the rectangle. Depending on the wall structure, a straight section can be composed of several panels. There is no difference in the final calculate. If you want to minimize the number of part no when creating a material list, as shown in the video, you can reconfigure it into a single part number using the manual function. The frame wall panel command displays a dialog on the screen. By specifying the part and inputting information such as elevation, height, and part no, then specifying the coordinates, the user can create a panel in the desired shape. To process openings, we will remove unnecessary elements from the screen. When processing openings, trim the wall. It is most effective to proceed by displaying only beam elements on the screen. After specifying the beam automation menu, select the beam and wall in the floor plan. When checking the floor plan and 3D view simultaneously, upstand beam sections, wall end, beam cap, upstand beam cap, you can confirm that all panels related to the beam are automatically placed. Similar to walls, beam sections can also be reconfigured using manual functions according to user requirements. Let's delete the existing automatically placed panels and replace panels in that section. To cover the exposed section, specify the Frame Slab panel menu and determine the details. Then, click the Plan button to specify coordinates, and you can create the panel. Because the filter was off in the current plan view, it was displayed in the 3D view but not in the plan view. Using the filter setting function, adjust the wall panel filter to the on state. The panel is also displayed in the wall view. In the same way, let's place the upstand beam panel on the inner side as well. This time, let's place the panel in the wall end section. Designate the subpart as wall end and calculate the altitude and height using the elevation function. Without ending the command with ESC, you can continuously create panels by immediately specifying the coordinates of the right wall end. To create an inverted beam thickness, specify the Frame Slab panel menu. Designate the subpart as upper cap. When you click the elevation button and select the upstand beam, the height is automatically calculated. Now, by specifying 3 points based on the upstand beam, a panel for upstand beam quantity calculation is created. Insert beam cap. Next, to insert beam panel quantities, specify the Frame Wall panel menu and set the subpart as beam. Calculate the elevation and specify both endpoints to create a panel. Easily change the panel's properties using the Edit Properties command. Enter a command, then select the target panel to display its information in the dialog. You can check and adjust various information such as main part, subpart, number, elevation, and height. After changing the panel height from 2660 to 1600, check the result in the 3D view. Next, we will proceed with changing the retaining wall number. When you register the retaining wall number during part number reconfiguration, you can rearrange the panels in Youngbok number order. Enter the Create World LAMBOR. Select all panels included in Unit 1 and change their number to 2. When the ID number is entered, the panel properties are changed to that number, and the color is set to yellow. Assign the ID number to all panels using the described method. Now, we will reconfigure panel part numbers based on part and attack number. After selecting the number sorting menu, select all panels. Select the parts to sort and wall numbers sequentially, then set the starting number to 1 and apply. The part No property is changed according to the spec order displayed on the right, and the drawing text is automatically updated, because the starting number is automatically set to the next number. Specify the next wall No, then immediately apply. Select the part and wall No in order, then sequentially apply the part No. After the part No sorting process, the part No is reconfigured based on the part and wall No. Consistent numbering in the output table makes it easier to locate specific panels on the drawing.